Nearly 21 million students returned to school Monday when public schools opened nationwide in the Philippines. Department of Education data show nearly 3,000 schools were affected by Super Typhoon Haiyan or Yolanda in November 2013. There's a demand for about 2,300 new classrooms, while nearly 18,000 classrooms needed to be fixed. In typhoon-hit areas, thousands of students begin classes in tents and makeshift classrooms. Around 86% of public schools in the capital will hold double shift classes this school year. Teachers groups, on the other hand, are clamoring for a salary increase for entry-level teachers nationwide from a base pay of around 18,500 to 25,000 pesos. But G. Geronimo reports the Education Department is aggressively recruiting for the best and brightest teachers.
Even teachers get the first day jitters. Especially Jessica Candari, who just left 16 years of teaching in a private academy to teach in a public school.
Siyempre, kinakabahan, nervous talaga. Kasi kaiba dun sa pinanggalingan ko. So number one, nakita ko pagpasok ko, eto pala. So panibagong trabaho. So parang nagsisimula ka pa rin.
For nearly 2 decades, she was happy, even with the little she earns. Her husband had to work abroad to supplement their income. But she decided to quit when the school administration changed.
Kung bakit ako lumipat? Ang number one, actually, yun yung laging sinasabi ko sa sarili ko. Pag di na ako masaya doon sa isang lugar, aalis na ako.
Jessica is one of more than 33,000 new teachers in public schools this year and among the brightest hired by the Education Department. Education Assistant Secretary Jesus Mateo says they look beyond the license when hiring qualified teachers.
Pero ang tanong ngayon, sino doon sa may lisensya ang naaangkop doon sa ating paaralan?
Once hired, the department makes sure they are well compensated. A United Nations agency says providing quality incentives will not only motivate teachers, it will also help improve the quality of education. Jessica is still adjusting to her new environment.
Kakayanin ko ba to? Parang ganun. Pero nakita ko naman, very supportive yung head teacher ko at saka yung principal. So siguro sana matutulungan din nila ako.
Yet what she's most excited about is not the bigger salary, but the new faces and the new stories. G. Geronimo, Rappler, Manila.